Okay, this is episode 2 of my tutorial. I want to show you my colouring and finish off this Jeff. So I'm going to draw horns on it. Remember, they don't have to be perfect. Just try your best. If you don't know how many horns it should have, well, you probably don't even know how many horns it has, but you can do as many horns as you want. I'm using this red colour for Jeff. This is one of the only reds I have. This is going down a bit. I think I might want to use a different one, but I'll use this for a little while. Should I use a different red though? Yeah, I think I should use a different red. This one is alcoholic marker, so sometimes it will bleed through. But these are some of my favourite markers. But I can't use them for my books as they'll bleed through and make my drawing sloppy. So I tend to use my normal markers like these. Now we're doing the horns. They're the same colour as his body. You can make them darker if you want. Wow, this is looking really good. Oops. Sorry about the camera. His eyes are blue. You can make them whatever colour you want. I'm kind of a bit sad I have to use this pen for colouring. And my black is running out a tiny bit, so I'll use this lavender fog. This is the second best option from a good black. We're not done with Jeff yet. We can do shading. You don't have to do shading. You can skip this part if you don't. But if you want your drawing to have shading, you can still copy this. This is basically what you do for the shading. Remember to shade his head if you want. I've been drawing for a couple of years. I don't know how much, but I remember when I was quite young, for the first time I held a pencil and I held it in my tripod grip, and for the first ever time, no one helped me. You can shade his eyes if you like, but you don't have to because this is your drawing and this is my drawing, so we can choose what we want to do with it. Now we should be moving on to Electro. You can make his little electric things yellow, or you can make them orange. It depends which colours you want to use. can make him orange. You can make him orange because that's the colour he is in my books. I might not be able to publish these books, but if I can, I'd be very happy. Why are my pens stopping to work all of a sudden? It's fine though. This pen is still okay to use. I don't know where these came from. Oh yeah, I got them for Christmas. Now, wrong pencil point. Now I'm going to use my lavender font. That's weird. That's Prussian blue. You can make his shine or the black bits that I'm drawing right now any colour you want. Just make sure that you're focusing on it. And just make sure that you're colouring the eyes. Now, I can fit in some shading. I'll use this orange as it's different orange and it's a bit darker than those. Remember to subscribe and leave a like on the video. If you've came this far, I'm really happy. Now, let's shade his face. This side is a bit bigger. I don't really use the big size, but now that I think about it, they're awesome. Now, I'm going to shade and finish off by shading his ears. Actually, those aren't his ears. My octopuses have ears, but I don't draw them. Bye-bye. I hope you liked this video.